So today's trade was not really good for me. We started into the week again with a negative trade. I lost $112 today. We had no news Monday, nothing special today. I thought maybe today was not is a day where we have no setup created to trade, but there was a setup. I traded it and I lost money because my execution was really bad. My bias was right, everything was right. I know where the price would go, but I made a mistake and closed the first trade too early and made then a second stupid trade, which is not really good and caused a loss. So starting into the day, my bias was bullish. After the last week's ending with this bullish move up, then we had this Asia and London manipulation down, and after New York open at this time here, we have this big candle which sweeps all the liquidity from Asia and London, and this is for me a perfect setup, perfect bullish setup. Then we go to this chart here where I executed. Then you can see my execution right. So we have this London high as a target, and we have the first percentage fair value gap from the 4th February, and this high, Asia high, is also a target for today. Asia high. So, and yeah, my trade idea was we opened this. I delayed this, and I delayed. Yeah, this we can let it on the screen. So yeah, we opened, we manipulated down to the London low and swept a lot of liquidity from Asia and London session. And then we broke structure on this candle here, and this fair value gap was created, the first present fair value gap of this day. The new week opening gap we can ignore at this moment. And then I entered after the reaction into this fair value gap. We closed, and I made my entry directly at this opening of the candle. If we hit this target, I made my stop loss at break even, because I don't want to lose money a lot at no news Monday. And yeah, I hit the market at break even, and then I wrote if we see speed above here, I will make another entry. I got stopped out break even. After we hit this, I got stopped out break even at this candle here. And then we had this move up. I thought, okay, there is momentum. We want to go to this high here, to this level, or to this level with this candle that shows me. But then we have this one, and I thought, okay, it's still bullish for me and I want to get in. Then I made my entry here and got stopped out with a really bad entry, really bad trade. This trade, if I let this trade open and wouldn't move my stop loss to break even, I wouldn't be stopped out, and I hit my TP full. Here. That was the perfect trade for today, but I was scared. I don't know, I was scared to lose money, so I made another trade and lost a lot more money than I could lose with this trade. This lose cost me $80, and this would cost me $80, and this lose cost me $112. So what do you learn? Don't move your stop loss at break even so early. Let the price a little bit room to move. Where is this moved? Yeah. So what do you learn? Let the markets a little bit time to move, a little bit room to move, because this was the perfect trade. I searched for another entry to get to this level here for my TP, but I didn't find another entry, and so I don't want to lose more money today. What could we say? It was a good trade, but I lost money with a stupid decision that I made. And yeah, it's a really good setup today. I think one of the best setups in the last few weeks. Yeah, perfect liquidity sweep, perfect breakout structure, perfect fair value gap, perfect restriction of the fair value gap. And yeah, but I moved to break even too early and made another trade with more risk than with the first trade. I don't know what the idea behind this was, but yeah, no news Monday, lost $112. It's okay. I lost money, but I know what the market wanted to do this high. My TP would be here, but this also is a take profit for today. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.